What's up, people? I'm in the car now, and today is the day we're finally gonna collect Jane. And we have someone special fetching us in to get Jane out, although it's a little bit late. Zoline. What? They didn't see you.
What's up?
So this is Zoline. She drives an Evo 9. I'm gonna put her Instagram on the screen somewhere and the link in the description as well. So do give her a follow if you like an Evo 9. And I'll give you guys a tour around the car after we stop. And yeah, I think that's about it. So right now we're just driving into Malaysia, and I'll see you guys at the shop. Okay, so we're at the shop now. So excited to show you Jane. I can give you a little bit of a sneak. I think she's there. She's in front of Zoline's car. So yeah, I'm gonna show you Zoline's car right now before I show you Jane. So just gonna do a small walkabout. I'm gonna start in the front first because if I show you the back after that, you'll see Jane. So yeah. So this is Zoline's car. It's the only Evo 9 in Singapore which is a full Varis kitted Evo 9. And she has a Cusco front brace there, a few carnets and stuff, even the Varis side skirt, front bumper. Get a rear diffuser and the Varis GT wing as well. So I'll show you a little bit of the inside. So she has a HKS EVC boost controller and a HKS turbo timer. She just recently got the Ralliart cluster, which is pretty rad, and 3 DEFI gauges on top. I think she's gonna get more, so I'm not so sure. If you notice in the time lapse, it was blinking, so one of her sensors for the DEFI gauge has spoiled. She's gonna get that replaced soon. So yeah, that's basically what she has in the car. Even has a bright Zeta full carbon back. I mean, you can roughly see the carbon here. Carbon bucket seat. So yeah, I guess that's that. So right now I'm gonna show Jane to you guys, and ta-da! She's here. The bumper's all patched and fixed up. If you guys noticed in the video previously, this corner here had a crack and then the paint was chipping off and stuff. And the side skirts has also been touched up. Got the rims done. And then the front bumper right now is totally fixed. The line's much nicer than previously. So yeah. Okay, so we're about to move off. I'm just gonna give Jane a little bit of a warm up first. Oh yeah, she's cold. Everything works. Even the pop-up headlights now. Holy crap. people, so I'm back in Singapore. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, it's a little bit too overexposed, but I'm at Shell. I'm filming here right now because back at my place it's really dark and I don't really have proper lighting to film, and I figured the gas station has adequate lighting. So I'm gonna film here and show you guys what's actually been done. So here's Jane. So this is Jane right now. She's looking all nice. She just got polished up. So if you guys remember in the episode where I introduced Jane, the front bumper was a little bit smashed up, and for you guys that follow me for a pretty long time, you guys know I had a lot of drift stitch down at the bottom down there, and it's all fixed up right now. They even aligned the bonnet as best as they can. And yeah, they also got my fender fixed because it was damaged the other time, and I had a slight minor accident with the front left side, so they had to pull the radiator support out again for me. And yeah, they also sprayed my rims and they also did my rear bumper for me. So previously there was some slight damage in the rear because someone reversed into me, and yeah, the guy left basically. So I got that all fixed up right now. So that's basically what has been done to Jane. So other than the exterior, there was something else that was done under the engine bay, in the engine bay. Jane got her turbo swapped out. I got it swapped back to the stock turbo that came with the CA18, and previously the T28 from the S15. I believe the O-ring was the oil seal, sorry, the oil seal was short. That's why I had a lot of white smoke coming up from my exhaust, and yeah, it was burning oil like crazy, so I had to get it swapped out sooner or later. But I'm gonna rebuild the T28BB hopefully into something better. We'll see. But oh, there's one more thing I want to show you guys. This was a little bit of a surprise to me, where I was just admiring the car from a distance, and then I saw something that the shop actually did for me, and they polished, I'm not sure if you guys can see, yeah, they polished the entire exhaust for me. It's so shiny right now that I can't even see my own reflection, and they polished my titanium tip as well. So yeah, it's pretty dope. Okay, so before I head back home, I just saw something really interesting at the gas station where I'm at. You can see Jane in the background right there. This is something I've never seen in Singapore. I mean, I haven't seen one in a really long time. It's an EV charging station. Yeah, like 50 kilowatt recharge. And yeah, it's probably one of the first in Singapore. I've not seen it, and it's really cool. It's like out of nowhere, it's all the gas pumps right there, and then suddenly at this corner we have an EV charging station. So yeah, this is awesome. I really love new technology. I support it, and I'm pretty excited to see where we go from here, because as you know, Singapore's not really EV car friendly. The government doesn't really support EV cars here, and Tesla tried their hand at it, but they failed. So it's good to see Shell doing something. So yeah, that's it now. I'm gonna end the episode. Thank you.